Okay, hello, year 6. Let's talk this today. We are going to talk about the metric unit of capacity. I have explained to you before when we are going to have the capacity when we are measuring, when we are talking about liquids. Okay, soft drinks, juice, water, anything that are liquid. We are used. These are the metric unit of capacity. They are. When we measure all about liquid, we are talking about capacity. Okay, so first objective, determine the suitable unit of capacity using the liters or milliliters, and convert liters to milliliters or milliliters to liters accurately, and apply your knowledge in converting metric units of capacity in solving or creating word problems. Okay, let's just recall our previous lesson. Choose the most suitable unit for the measure of capacity. Bottle of cola, what we are going to use, is it milliliters or liters? So we can have liters. A glass of milk, we can say milliliters. A bucket of ice, this one is liters, and a jug of juice is liter. Okay, this, you know this already. We are just recalling it, all about it. Okay, now remember, when we convert a metric unit of capacity, liter is used to measure large amount of liquid. Okay, milliliter is used to measure small amount of liquid. So I want you to remember this one. That means to say this liter is for larger amount of liquid, and milliliters, like, you know, this, the perfume, the, you know, this shampoo, okay, the pack of juice, these are milliliters, and liters, you know, the big amount. Okay, so when we are converting, the same thing when we convert in in length and mass. Okay, when we are going to so may I convert? Okay, these are the things that you're going to remember. The same thing when we did the mass and the length. So 1 liter, which is L, liter, the abbreviation is L, is 1000 milliliters, and ml, okay, or ml. No, to convert liter to milliliter, multiply the number by 1000. Why we need to multiply? Because 1 liter equivalent to 1000 milliliters. This is milliliters. Okay, and this is the abbreviation of milliliters. Okay, to convert liter to milliliter, we need to multiply, because as we said previous lesson, converting from big, okay, unit, larger unit, to smaller unit, we need to multiply. Why we need to multiply by 1000? Because 1 liter is 1000 ml. Okay, so this is, you are going to remember. And when we convert milliliters to liters, we need to divide, because milliliters smaller than liters. So when we are converting smaller to larger unit, we need to divide. Okay, now, so let's try this one. We have 19 liters, so let's convert 19 liters to milliliters. So remember, okay, so let's say 19 liters, how many milliliters? Okay, remember your guide. 1 liter is 1000 ml. Okay, and liter is larger than milliliter. So what did we say before? When it is converting from larger unit to smaller unit, we need to multiply. Therefore, we are going to multiply 19 times 1000. So it will be 19000, or we say 19,000 milliliters. How about if I have 2.32 liters, how many milliliters? So the same thing, we are going to multiply by 1,000. Now, since we have a decimal, remember when we are how to the rules of multiplying again in decimal, you can just multiply it. You move your decimal to the right 3 times. So therefore, we owe 1 0. So the answer is 2,320. Okay, this is how we are going to multiply. To convert liters to milliliters, we are going to multiply by 100. How about if I have liters? How many milliliters? So again, we are going to multiply by 100, 1,000. So we will move our decimal 3 times. Therefore, 0.35 liters is 350 ml. Okay, that is simple. Okay, how about we will convert milliliters to liter? Milliliters is what to liters? Remember, milliliter is smaller unit than liters. So what do we do when it is from smaller to larger? We are going to divide. Okay, so let's have the example here. Write 7,620 milliliters to liters. So therefore, we are going to divide because milliliter is smaller than liters. Okay, so if it's converting from smaller to larger, we are going to divide. Don't forget that we are going to divide by 1,000. Okay, so let's do it now. So 7,620 divided by is ml. Oh, how many liters? Okay, so let's write here 7,620 divided by 1,000. Do you still remember how to divide 1,000? Okay, so if we have 0, 1, 2, 3, so we are going to move to the left. So 1, 2, and 3. So the decimal will be here. So the answer is 7.62 liters. Another one. If we have ml, how many liters? I'm going to make more question. If we have 678 ml, how many liters? Okay, so let's do it now. So we are going to divide by 1,000. So 4,500 divided by 1,000. Okay, so we have 3 again. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, since we don't have 0 anymore, so you're just going to move to the left 3 times, and then you have the answer. Okay, so 4,500 ml is 4.5 liters. Next one, we have 678 divided by 1,000. What do you think is the answer? We don't have 0. So we are going to move 1, 2, 3. So the decimal will be there. Okay, so 0.678 liters. So you are going to move 1, 2, and 3 decimal. Okay, another example. For example, I have okay, ml equals how many liters? So again, I'm going to divide 2,390 divided by 1,000. So 1, 2, 3. So the answer is, and then decimal, where do we stop? So 2.39 liters. Okay, do you have any question? Okay, so I'm going to give you your work. Okay, I want you to do this question. Okay, pause your video, answer it, and then I will show you my final answer. Okay, check your answers. 64 liters, how many milliliters? So it is liter to milliliters. This is larger to smaller. So when we are converting larger to smaller, we need to multiply by 1,000. So multiply by 1,000, which will be 64 times 1,000 is 64,000 milliliters. Okay, next, this is milliliter is smaller and liters is larger. So smaller to larger unit, we need to divide. So we need to divide again by 1,000. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, decimal. Okay, so the answer is 5.16 liters. Next, again, liters to milliliters. So this is bigger, larger to smaller, which is we need to multiply. So 3.4 times 1,000. So we will move to the right. So 3, I'm going to show you here, 3.4 times 1,000. So we will move 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We don't have anything here, so we need to add a 0. Okay, so 3,400 milliliters. Now, milliliters is small and to large, so we need to divide by 1,000. Okay, so we will cut 1, 2, and 3. What is left? 16 liters. Next, liters to milliliters. So this is larger to smaller. So this will be division. So 710 divided by 1,000. So 1, 2, 3. So decimal in front of 7. So 0.71. Okay. Did you do it all correctly? Check your answer. And then check the answers. If you did correctly, if you did a mistake, you can check your mistake. Okay, so remember, when we are converting larger to smaller, we need to multiply. If we are converting smaller to larger, we need to divide also by 1,000. Why it's 1,000? Because 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. All right, this simple as that. Okay. Okay, in your student book page 36, question 3 and question 4, I want you to answer this one. Convert the milliliters to liters. So meaning milliliters to liters, which is, what do? A smaller unit to larger unit, we need to divide. Since 1 liter is 1,000 ml, so you're going to divide all this one by 1,000. Pause your video, then answer the questions. Okay, 1,000 divided by 1,000 equals 1 liter. Okay, remember we are dividing only by 1,000. Okay, so 5,000 divided by 1,000. So 1, 2, and 3. So 5 liters. Okay, 12,000 divided by 1,000 is 1, 2, and 3. So the answer is 12.5 liters. 500 ml divided by 1,000, so 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, the answer is 0.5 liters. All right, simple. Okay, we have a problem solving here. A small juice carton holds 250 ml. How much juice would there be in 8 small cartons in liters? Okay, so meaning you're going to, so how many in one carton, okay, is 250, but we have 8. What do we do? Yes, we are going to, oh, sorry. We are going to multiply times 8 equals ml. But it should be written as liters, so it will be 2 liters. Okay, is that easy? I hope you did it correctly. Okay, let's move to the last question. Okay, in your student book, page 39, question 2, I want you this time to convert liters to milliliters. So remember, liters to milliliters. As I said, liters is larger and milliliters smaller. When we are converting from larger to smaller, what do? Yes, we are going to multiply. Since 1 liter is equal to 1,000 ml, so therefore you're going to multiply by 1,000. Pause your video, then answer. Okay, check your answer. So let's multiply all this one by 1,000. So let's move it. How do we multiply with decimal? We will move to the right. So 1, 2, and 3. So the answer is 12,250 ml. Okay, half means 0.5. So therefore, this will be 5.5 liters. Okay, 12 quarter is equivalent to 0.25. Okay, so this will be 12.25. So now let's multiply all by 1,000. So we will move it how many times? 5.5 times 1,000 is 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, the answer is 5,500 ml. And this one we will move 3 times. 1 and 2 and 3. So the answer is 12,250 ml. Next, so this will be moved 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So the answer is 100,065 ml. Now, let's solve this problem. Alice pours 550 ml of juice in a jug. She added 30.5 ml vanilla flavor and 790 ml of water. How many liters of juice in the jug? So 550 Okay, plus 30.5 790. So we need to add 5, 17, carry 1, 6, 30. So the total in milliliters is 1370.5 milliliters. Now we need to make it as liters. So we will move 1, 2, and 3. So the answer is sorry. I need liters, right? So we will move to the left 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So 1.3705 liters. Okay, so don't forget, when we are converting milliliters to liters, we need to divide, because the rule is when you convert smaller to larger units, you need to divide. And if you're going to convert from largest to smallest, larger unit to smaller unit, you need to multiply. Okay, so keep that in your mind. And 1 liter equals 1,000 ml. Okay, I hope you understand how to convert milliliters to liters or liters to milliliters. That's all for now. Year 6, thank you for listening and watching. I hope you will do good in your graded assignment. Practice makes perfect. See you year 6. Bye.